Hey, namaste guys, Chopra here, and I hope you all are doing well and I
नहीं म्यूजिक
welcome you in my new video, and today we'll be unboxing as well as reviewing the Maono Au-400 Lavelier Microphone. So let's begin.
तो करना परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से।
The box states that this microphone can be used in your smartphone as well as in your camera. Also, you can use it for presentations and interviews. It can also be used in a computer for online meetings or video calls. The microphone comes in a pretty good quality bag which has the company's logo on it. Bag comes with this microphone as well as a clip to attach the microphone to your collar. So now talking about the main microphone, the wire of the microphone is of pretty good quality, although it cannot be compared with the Boya's mics, but it comes in a pretty decent quality. The length of the microphone's wire is pretty good as well. It has a 2-meter long wire. The microphone also comes with a converter if you want to use this microphone in any other electronic device other than the smartphone. So the converter is actually gold plated, but the 3.5mm jack is not. So the microphone's 3.5mm jack easily fits inside this converter, and then you can use it in any other electronic device. So this clip can be used to attach a microphone to your collar, something like this. So you take this clip and you attach the microphone like this, and then this can be attached to your collar and you can use it to record your videos. So now we will test the audio of this microphone. So the audio that you were hearing from the start of this video was actually recorded with my older microphone. The audio which you are hearing now is only from my smartphone's inbuilt microphone.
And the audio that you are hearing right now is actually from the Maono Au-400 microphone.
And the audio that you are hearing right now is actually from the Maono Au-400 microphone. So now attach this microphone to my collar, and I hope you can hear the quality of the audio. And I would love if you guys could comment down in the comment box and tell me how was the audio quality of this microphone. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit this video with a like, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with all your family and friends. Also, thank you for the support, and I hope you will keep supporting me. Guys, I'm trying to reach 150 subscribers by the end of this month. So please help me to complete this goal, and I'll catch you in the next techie video.